How to fix WhatsApp. Can't send this media, choose a different media and try again. Hey everybody, if you are getting this kind of error on your WhatsApp application, you may just go ahead and follow up the steps. So the number one troubleshooting method you can apply up is check your internet connection. For that, you can head over to your device's settings, open up your settings, and once you open up your settings, head over to connections. Open it up and look for your Wi-Fi or mobile data that you're using and ensure that you have a stable internet connection in both of them. After this is done, you can, if you're using your WhatsApp application, you may just go ahead and close up your WhatsApp, close it up completely, and after that, wait for a bit and try restarting your device as well to help you improve your network connectivity. So just go ahead and do that and open up your WhatsApp again. After that, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. So head over and open a Play Store application. And then from here, go over to the search, open it up, go over to WhatsApp, and then open up the WhatsApp and ensure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp and that your phone's operating system is also updated. And check if the file is corrupted because sometimes that can also be the issue. So go over to WhatsApp. And the thing is, you need to go ahead and look out for the videos that if it is exceeding the WhatsApp's file size limits or not. So if that is the issue, that may be the issue why WhatsApp is not able to send the media. So the videos should be in VZP or MP4 format with a maximum duration of 60 seconds in order for it to be sent. So that is it. Ensure that also WhatsApp has all the necessary permissions. Long press on WhatsApp. Go to the info section at the top. And from here, scroll down and look for permissions and ensure that your WhatsApp application have all the necessary permissions to access your photos and videos. After that is done, also ensure that your phone has enough storage because as a full phone can impact sending and receiving files. And at the very last, you can just try clearing the cache of the application. Long press on WhatsApp, go to the info section again. And then from here, scroll down, go over to storage. And from storage, go ahead and clear the cache to remove temporary files that might be causing issues. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to fix the WhatsApp issue. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.